What is going on, trading jits and crits? So, I came to a very big realization today, and I'm also going to do the backtesting session, but I came to a very big realization today. Now, what was that realization, you're asking me? So, not gonna lie, I'm a bit of a dumbass. I knew this before, but now I know it for sure. So how am I going to explain this to you? Well, remember in like a past video, and I was like, yeah, I don't really watch Patrick because Blake's the one who taught him everything and all this shit. Well, Patrick taught me something very fucking good today. If I have, let's just kind of go off to the side here because I don't want to lose my progress. If I have, actually, before we do anything, let me make sure this account is even fucking active. Okay, good. Let's get right here. So, perfect. If I have a 25k account, correct? 25k. And let's say I'm risking $100 per trade to make about, let's go with 250, maybe 300. So, if I have that much, right? So technically, and there's an $1,000 drawdown limit, and you have to make $1,250 before you lose this $1,000. So if I lose 10 trades in a row, risking $100, I lose this account. If I win just 5 trades in a row, risking $250, I win. Now, I came to a very big realization, is that when you press this long tool, it tells you how much you're actually risking. See how that middle number goes up? Right here, this middle number right here, 224. And if I'm risking 1 micro, then that, I will do an example, but I won't really like count it. I'll put 1 just because I don't use ones. But if I put 1, right? So if this is risking 216 to make 348, well then this should be about $348. And this should be about $216 as my stop loss. Can't get it like perfectly on the dot, but you get the gist. So what I realized is I'm a fucking idiot. And you ask me why. Why are you an idiot? Well, I'll fucking tell you why. So, what the fuck? Did it not close? I guess not. But the reason I'm a fucking idiot is because of a couple key things. One, if I'm risking 250 and losing about $100 per trade, and I lose 10 trades in a row, I suck. But if I'm risking, because okay, come on, tip. The big realization is that I always say I like to risk about 1% of my account, quote unquote. I wasn't risking 1% of my account. I was risking 1% of $1,000. 1% of $1,000, $100. Now you see why I said I'm a retard. Because in actual physical terms, I should probably get comfortable risking about $250 per trade, which is, guess what? You wouldn't believe it. 1% of 25k. You don't believe me? Hold up. Let's go to the calculator. 25,000 times 1%. So, in order for me to lose this account, I would need to lose 4 trades in a row. But here's another crazy realization. If I'm risking that to make something like $500 to $600, then I could pass this account in 2 trades. And I wish I had my old Top Step videos to show you guys, because the whole reason I passed that Top Step 50K is because there was days I would risk about $400 a trade probably to make anywhere from like a band or two. And my cat is laying down underneath my fucking desk, and she knows how I feel about this. Come here, kitty. So, where am I getting with this? We need to be more comfortable risking $200 to $250. But the whole purpose of this is to make about $500 to $600. So without further ado, let's get into the backtesting session, and I'll talk more about this. We're clearly bearish. We just made this 4-hour gap. Go on the hourly. Looks like we're tracing in. Yeah, we just made that 4-hour gap. I think I'm being called to hold up. Okay, where was I? So 4-hour gap. Don't know if we're getting a clear trace into this yet. We do. We start displacing lower. Do the 30-minute. We have a 30-minute. Bada bing, bada boom. So now that we have that trace into that 4-hour gap, I would honestly want to see price inverse this hour, this hour 30-minute we had, yeah, to displace lower. My main TP would probably be here. My stop loss would probably be here. I mean, both my main TPs would probably be here or here. I'm very bearish, so I would need to see that disrespect first. Think, okay, disrespected. And should I wait for a pullback? Is there really any reason to wait for the pullback? No, let's see if price pulls back. It does. Displaces lower. Let's drop like 3 on here. So about 300. We'll risk about, we'll give it a good like equal 250 risk. And this should be a good like a little 1 to 1.2ish, almost 1.1. Alright, let's see if we're smacking. So blink, 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 and stopped out. So price did manipulate lower. Let's see where I went wrong. Oh, is there an SMT? There's not an SMT. But there actually is an SMT. No, there's not an SMT. Okay, so let's see what price is doing. Do we get stop rated? 5-minute fair value gap. Do we inverse the 5-minute? We do inverse the 5-minute. I'm gonna go back in on this one. I'm gonna see if we can get that bias to play out again. Hello? Alright, let's see if we can get this 5-minute to play out. Oh, it's because we're on S&P. What the fuck? And this just took like 3 trades, huh? It did. Open positions, close, close, open position, close, close, open position, close, close, open position, close, close. Okay. So now that we have that 5-minute SMT, we're gonna target this little piece of the pie, probably take our stop loss just to about right here. Price goes lower. So that's exactly what I need to do, and I'm starting to get a little bit better at understanding price does need to manipulate a bit higher in order, because price moves in trends. So obviously swing high down to swing low, or lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And price did probably manipulate into some sort of gap that I didn't see, which was this 30-minute we had. Probably should have waited for price to manipulate back up to it. All good, all good. We know for later now. So now, let's go to New York session. You cannot go to this date. Oh shit, the session is gonna end, huh? Yeah, session's over. Show me the analytics. How bad did we do? 41% win rate. Not terrible. But we will get rid of this one and start a new one real quick. Give me a second. Okay, so I purposely made this trading session a 25K account, as you can see down here at the bottom. So now this is all times high trading. So let's see what we can get. We tap into a 4-hour right here. So this becomes an ITL. ITL. Bada bing, bada boom, Mr. Worldwide. Price does seem to inverse this fair value gap right here. Is there some sort of manipulation leg we can get down? Well, let's see. So what time are we at? It's like we're not even at market open yet. Okay, so market opens. We're inversing that gap. Price does inverse that 5-minute. If price doesn't give me some sort of manipulation back down, I'm probably just gonna take continuation. Boom. Price does manipulate. I would love to see price manipulate back into this 5-minute. Does. Goes right through it. Right into that 30-minute gap we were talking about. Does it take out the IT? Oh wait, no, that's not the 30-minute gap. What is that? What big ass gap is that? Fuck is that marked out? 4-hour? No, is that an hourly? That's an hourly gap. So price retraces back into that hourly. Maybe we can get a change of state of delivery play here. Okay, taps change of state delivery type. We go down. This price smacked that ITL by chance. Price maxed ITL. We see displacement up out of that. Price does manipulate lower. I'm going to take a 3 contract buy here. TP at these external highs. I would love to see price just kind of doozy and respect this. Put it at the body. Let's go to the 1-minute. Let's see how good of a trade this bad boy was. Okay, we're climbing up. We're climbing up. I'm kind of just gonna let price do its thing actually right here. I do want to see if price can give me some sort of, oh, it does exactly that. So I probably will go break even. This is now risk free. Price does have a long journey up. And break even. Nice. Okay. 5 cents. Beautiful. Beautiful break even. I lost 5 fucking cents. Okay, so we're back at all-time highs. Nice 4-hour gap here. We have the hourly. What do we have on the hourly? Well, we have this hourly gap as well. I do want to see if price can manipulate lower. We are on all-time highs, right? Yeah, so Nas was fucking some reason. Price does give us a little tap into this 15 minute, so I would love, love, love to see price maybe come a bit back down into this 15 minute. I don't think we'll get that, not gonna lie. Do I stand corrected? No, but you know what I do stand corrected on? We do have that ITL that gets swept in this fair value gap. Price does try to displace lower. I would take this and I would put my stop loss at this low since I think it's protected. Maybe just go for like a little like 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1.3, 1 to 1.13 or something like that. 1.2. I don't think this is terrible. What do we do? Do we go higher? Do we go lower? Oh, we're just placing higher. We're just placing higher. We're just placing higher and stop and take profit. Nice. So that's exactly what I want to do. I want to risk about 250 to make anywhere. You know, start like it all really depends on. So what I want to start doing as well is I want to start sizing up my stop losses. So like if I put my stop right here, right, I want to be like, okay, that's about 66 points worth of stop. And if I put 3 micros down, that's about 250-ish. And if I put my take profit right where it was, right at this 1.2 mark, it's about 103 points. So it's about 103 times 3 is about 300, yeah. So that's exactly what I want to start doing, and really learning how to size up my take profits, my stop losses, everything. Telling y'all, man, we getting this shit. This shit about to be. If I can get funded once and get a payout once, I can do what I fucking get. I know I can. There's no doubt in my mind I can. I don't care what I gotta do. Maybe. So we do have an ITL now. Do we have a 30 minute? Oh, okay. So we have a 30 minute. ITL has already been taken out during pre-market. We do have a 30 minute gap to the top side. Price most likely will inverse. Price tries to manipulate lower. It can't. If we inverse this on the 5 minute, I'm taking this fucking trade 100% of the time. And knew it. Okay. So what do we do? Well, I'm going to size out my draw of liquidity, which is this bad boy right here. Boom. So it's about 97 points. Bless you, bless you. I would be okay with probably. Let's go a little higher than that, I guess. To make this like a 1 to 1, 1 to 1. This would be about. We can go maybe to this low right here. I can even get a little frisky and go right here, 1 to 2. But nah, I'll have that basis of the gap, or maybe, you know, just maybe just for the double confirmation, I'm gonna see if this displaces lower. If it doesn't, it gives us a doji. Do we go lower? Okay, no, we go higher. So yeah, I'm gonna take this. Now my take profit seems a little bit more reasonable. So yeah, it's about 250. Risking 250. 65 times 3. Well, 60 times 3 is about 180. So this is about like close to 200. Boom. Fucking mathematical genius. Okay, gap hold it up really well. Do we see price push higher? Gap holds up again. If price can take out that external high that we just made, this is most likely a break-even point for me. Price sweeps it, closes it, closes above it again. I'm going break-even. This is risk-free. Bada bing, bada fucking boom. Yes. See, this is why I do this, because getting more comfortable, learning the basics again, is what every fucking trader needs. Not gonna lie. Like for me, bro, trading TJR shit for a fucking fat minute, bro. It wasn't it wasn't the worst thing in the world. Don't get me wrong. Like, in my opinion, TJR is one of the fucking dopest traders of all time. But his shit is literally like the basis for beginners, in my opinion. And the shit that Patrick and Blake will teach you with ICT, it's fucking nutty, bro. It is nutty. I am guaranteeing you that this low right here is an SMT on fucking on ES. I might have lied. I lied. Not the first time, not the last time. Well, probably will be the last time. You know what? This could be an SMT actually. It really depends. I'm really gonna hold on. I'm gonna have to trend line this. I I don't want to say it's an SMT, and it is. But did ES take out those highs? No. Nas did push a bit down. ES is drawing. There's no real confluence here. Maybe a 15 minute. No. Do we have some sort of 15-minute SMT? Well, low-key, yeah, because this is taking out all those lows. Nas did not do that, so this is a 15-minute SMT. I personally would probably put TP up here. We do have a 5-minute FEG. I want to see if price gives us more respect inside of that. No, price pushes right to TP, goes higher. Just fucking keeps ballisticking. Oh, price now officially opened up. And now we actually have good marks of range. 15-minute gap. The 5 minutes seemed to have a gap that did get respected. If this is a gap that holds up. Yeah, it is. Bada bing, bada boom. I'd love to see price maybe push down and give me a retap. And that's not what it. That is what it does. Perfect, perfect. Okay, this is looking like a beautiful trade. Now we can set TP right here. Let's go to the 1 minute. Because the 5 minute does have that fair value gap that was just made. 3 minute does have an FEG as well. I'd love to see this 3 minute inverse that was just made. And I would take this 1000% of the time. Hello? Hello? Why? Where? I can take that too. Or not. Or not. Or just die. That works too. The fuck was this bleed? Alright, we're gonna go to the next day. That was a little woozy. Okay. That was a very weird bleed, not gonna lie. Okay, do we have an SMT at the top? No. We have no SMTs right now in the market. Good. Now, we do see this 1 hour get respected. We push through this 1 hour as well. I'm definitely long. Let's go 30 minute. Okay, this is already shaping out to be very beautiful. We do have that rejection block. Price taps into that. We have that high we can target. Oh my god, so much is happening right now. If we can tap that. Okay. Simply just waiting for market to open. Apparently it's not even fucking open. Okay, price just fucking gushed higher. Okay, so now that market is open, I would love to see this 15 minute give me a little more. Okay, it gives me the respect, so love it, love it, love it. We also do not have a 5 minute. That looked like a 5 minute. Okay, I would personally do this. Now the problem with all-time highs is that I need to have good risk management, so I would have this low, be protected. Just go for a little 1-to-1. This is about 200, so risking 200 both sides. Bang, bang, and let's see if it runs. And it does. Bro, fucking cooking right now. How many trades have I won? Oh, don't do this to me. Oh, I was gonna say. Okay, 1, 2, 3 with a break even. Hold up. Or fucking. Was risk management all I needed? Holy fuck. Am I gonna go undefeated this sesh? Let me not jinx it, but damn. I'm fucking cooking. I'm not literally in the kitchen cooking right now, even though I smell good ass food being whipped up by wifey right now. But like, I'm fucking cooking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Do we have an SMT? We do not. Do we have another fair value gap that I could look to get tapped into? More than likely, yes, because low key, we inverse this one. I'm not seeing anything, Chief. Not seeing anything. Not seeing anything. Oh, wait. Bada bing, bada boom. That 15-minute has been respected a little bit too many times for my liking. We do see a good liquidity sweep. Okay, price inverse is a big ass 5-minute. That's beautiful. Price also makes this 5-minute in the market. I would love to see if we can get a little bit more displacement. Maybe we displace in like a 3-minute. No, a 2-minute. I don't care. A 1-minute. We do see a little bit of displacement into a 1-minute right here. Price does make another 1-minute. I know price will probably, yep, go back down, tap, come back up. I would personally take this. How much points would this high be? That's about 18. We could shoot for a good like 30 bomb. And then I wouldn't want to see price close below this body. Well, if I'm being honest with you, let me go to the 5-minute. Let me see how this is looking. Okay, yeah, probably wouldn't want to see price go below this body. We can do a little 1-to-1. So 36 times 3 is about a little 90 ball. Yeah, it's not nothing crazy, not gonna lie. Or actually, let's try something. So we're gonna do 6. So 30, 36 times 6 is calculator time. 36 times 6 is about 216. So we're risking about 216s both sides. Bing. Bing. I don't like that's not even. Why is it not even? What the fuck? Oh, because I didn't line this up with the other. Boom. Okay, so let's see what happens. Price trails up, keeps going up. Fucking bang, bro. I just went 5-0. Well, 4-0-1. But damn, that never happens. Was risk management all I needed? Well, obviously it's not all I ever. No, definitely not all I'm gonna need. But low key, I'm cooking. Let's do one more and we'll call it because I did not expect to cook that hard. So 4-hour, tap into a 4-hour. Seems like we've tapped into this 1-hour down here. We actually took out the ITL inside of here. Is that an SMT? Well, let's go check. It fucking doesn't seem like it. ES is so weird. So, in my opinion, go to the 30 minute, press 1, 2, price is displacing lower, it actually closes outside of that, perfectly fine, price is manipulating lower apparently. We do get this tap into this 30 minute gap, which probably is an hourly gap, which it is. So we can actually set this right here, set this right here, bada bing bada boom. Go to the 15 minute. This will most likely be the draw of liquidity I choose. Now let's go see if we can find something to get inversed. Well, we do have this big ass 5 minute gap, but I want to see if there's a more recent gap. Well, this gap got closed through, this gap didn't get closed through. So on all honesty, if I can see this 3 minute gap get ran through, I would probably take this. Okay, price is just displacing lower. Do we have liquidity to the downside that we were chasing? What time is it? It's about 8. Honestly, we do have a bit of liquidity to the downside we're chasing. Market's just kind of fucking bleeding. It's begging for its fucking life. With like no presence of... Okay, we inverse that 15 minute. I would probably take this. Maybe, just maybe, up to that high. Let me see how much points we'd be risking. We took this 88, 86, and we could risk 83. It's a pretty nice reversal trend. I would personally take this 524. Oh fuck, I risked. Hold the fuck up. Didn't realize how much we were risking. Turn that bit back down to 3. Hold the fuck up. 262, there we go. For 246. This is like a little risky. I probably on live markets would attempt to fade this trade and not be able to. But in all honesty, with the inverse price climbing back up, it looks like we don't get to sweep that bottom side. I might have taken this, so let's see what happens. Price immediately climbs up. I could probably set this to the outer point of this fair value gap maybe. Is that who I think it is? It most certainly is. Give me just a second. Alright, homie's hopping on Apex. Does this hit? Hits original TP. I fucking cooked today. Dude. Did I just need to look up risk management on fucking YouTube? I fucking cooked today. I didn't take a loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 1 break-even trade. I tried 5, dude. Hold up, cause I have a note for my back testing sessions. When's the last time I went 5-0? Okay, never mind. It wasn't that long ago. It feels like that fucking long ago. I actually went 4-0 back-to-back days. 4-0, 4-0. Holy shit, bro. I need to start tracing my back testing again. Oh no, it's been so 4-2-1, 4-2, 4-0, 4-1, 1-3, 4-5. I ain't gonna lie. This is giving me some confidence. Cause now I know risk management. Now I know to fucking wait for manipulation. Now I know not to get caught in accumulation zones. And just wait for literally accumulation, manipulation, distribution. God bless you guys. God bless you for real. I'm going to hop off. Probably gonna go to the homie's house real quick, eat some dinner, play some Apex, chill with wifey, read a book while I chill with her, like around like 11ish, and then yeah, This gave me fucking confidence, boys. I'm gonna see what I can do about another funded. When I say I'm gonna see what I can do, I'm gonna see if I can afford it. I'm gonna make sure I can afford it. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna see where I can hang these up, okay? Probably where the other things are. Don't put them away. Oh yeah, that works. But yeah, I'm gonna go do all that. I appreciate you guys for sticking around. Bro, I know I was like kind of like, oh shit, I passed the funded thing. I didn't even realize that. In what, 5 trades? Holy fuck. But I know I was like sitting there and like, yeah, I want to get a payout by the 24th. Honestly, for the month of July, my main goal for this month of July is to pass a funded. I don't care if it's with Apex. I don't care if it's with Tradeify. I don't care if it's fucking Lucid. I don't give a fuck if it's for some reason with Top Step. The goal is to pass a funded. And yeah, other than that, hope you guys have a great night. God bless you. And let's fucking get this shit, man. I'm feeling confident, bro. Let's do it.